Hello guys, this is another segment of my YouTube video, my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a brief recap of BTC and I will be analyzing few pairs. So with further ado, let's dive in and go into the charts. Let's go. So on Saturday, I told you guys that Bitcoin might be going down, but it's been short. You go to my YouTube, check the previous video, that's what I said, and that's what happened. I told you that if Bitcoin doesn't break this my counter trend, I'm not going to be doing anything. But normally I don't trade Bitcoin, I was just playing the market because I was just bored. So I told you, and that didn't happen. That was on Saturday, that didn't happen. So I told you that this market, if this market breaks this key level, and it did, and it came back for a retest, and I saw a red candle, I told you guys if you want to enter this market, you can enter right about here. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me clearly? Right about here. That is your 100% retracement, and your second level target should be here. And well, guess what happened? The market just came back to that point and just went back up. Because if you want to check the market, I don't really think BTC will come back to this level here. Let me mark it. So, like I was saying, I don't think BTC will come back around here because it's just $93,000. I don't really think that will happen. I don't think BTC can go back to 93,000. But maybe it might. I don't know. But I'm just saying my prediction was correct. I just wanted to show you guys. So today we're going to do some brief analysis on some pairs. Firstly, we're going to do analysis on, let me see, let's EURAUD. The one I told you I made some money. Sorry for my chats, let me delete this. Wait please. Last time I was using my phone, that is why it was stressing me out. Now I'm using a laptop, so I want to see the chart more clearly. So let's go. If you go to the 1 hour time the monthly time frame, you can see that this market is in an uptrend. There's nothing you can argue about that uptrend. You can see. So uptrend. See, I drew my key level nicely. If you want to know how to draw it, just go to Dabubi's and get the mastery course from him. I'm one of his students. I'm just trying to help struggling traders out on YouTube. So yes, so let's go to the weekly time frame. We really notice this looks like a head and shoulder pattern, or is it a double bottom? I can say it's a double bottom. Yeah, it's a double bottom. I broke the double bottom, the neckline, and I started consolidating around here, and then the market just shoot right off. So you go to the 4 hour time frame. I want to show you where I entered this market and what happened. Okay. Sorry for the noise outside. They are doing some things, family stuff. I'm just in my office trying to do one or two things. They are making a lot of noise. Today is Wednesday. No, today is Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, 24th. It's Tuesday. Or is it 24th? Let me check my phone. I'm coming. Yeah, today is 24th of June. Tuesday. I guess I was correct. So it doesn't really matter. Let's just go to the chart and what we're doing here. This was my first level target, second level, third level, whatever. You guys know that already. So this was in this black line. I was in this black line to identify the neckline. Normally for me, I don't feel comfortable trading something like this. Is the neckline, right? The market just broke the neckline. I started just going up. Me, to be sincere, honestly, like I really like to wait for a pullback. You understand? Try to understand. Like I entered this market, no doubt here. I entered this market right about here, bullish engulfing candlestick. That's where I entered and hit my first level target. I took some money out. I took some money out and allowed some to be there. My stop loss was still here by that time, and the market just came down. The reason I did not move my stop loss to break even because it was that I was really sure, but sometimes you have to move it to break even to save a lot of money. Don't follow me. I was just risk trading. I was just seeing what will happen. You understand? And the market just came and started going up. That is where I was kind of happy. Or did I move? Wait, let me check something. I don't really. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. This market came here, took half. I moved my stop loss to break even, and that took me out. Yeah, I remember that. It took me out of was it a $17 profit? Like that is when my stop loss. I moved it to break even. I know my thing $17 is not much money, but the one thing in forex market, we are not trying to lose money, we are trying to make money. So anything the market gives, you just tell the market thank you. And this market started going up. Instead of it to touch my second level target, see what happened. I want to enter this market, but normally I don't like trading on impulse this thing. I always like to wait for a pullback, a confirmation. You understand? So you see, did not even reach the second level target, the market just came back down. I really noticed if I want to enter this market again, I'll enter right about here because this really looks like a fake region. You can check, let's check it out now. Fibonacci. Are you seeing this? Looks like this is what am I saying? This is a fake region already. Fibonacci. This is a fake region. It came to the 50 Fibonacci level and started it's showing a green candle. But I don't want to really enter this market right about here. But if I see a green, well, let me delete this. If this green candle engulfs this red candle, I will enter this market. But if that doesn't happen, I'm not entering this market. You understand? But because I still think, let me draw that again. Sorry. But I still think this market might come back down to this 61.8, but I'm not sure. So if you see a green candle, bullish engulfing candle that covers this red candle, you can enter. But me, I really like it for it to come to that 61.8 because that one really gives me a clear confirmation, and I really like that one. So I really wait for that. But if you guys can see a greenish bullish engulfing covering the previous red candle, you can enter. There's no problem. But me, I really like to wait. You understand? Patient, wait. I really notice this is an impulse leg. Anytime you see an impulse leg, just know that a retracement is bound to happen. It is bound to happen. It will happen. You understand? It will happen. So that is what it's doing right now. Retracing. That's for Euro AUD. Let's move to the next one. This one is gonna be a quick video. I don't want to waste your time. This is AUD USD. No, AUD EURJPY. Yeah, EURJPY. Hold on, guys. Let me drink water. Test it. Sorry, guys. I was there. Sorry. So, we just a long time in this market. It is really giving you this analysis I did already. I just cleaned the charts. I don't know why I did that. So this market was an uptrend, 100% retracement, whatever. Sorry for the charts. I cleaned it. I did my analysis already. If I want to do it now, it will take time. I don't want to really take your time, but I don't know. Maybe I should draw this thing again. Let me draw it again so that you guys will not say that I not draw chart pattern. Don't mind me just playing with you guys, you know that, right? Yeah. Clone it. This to this region right about here. Clone it. should it be here? Let it be here. I know what I'm going to put in that place. Let it be here. Right about here. And I'll put a dark line right about here. No, one thing in my chart, I like to make everything clear. You know what I mean? Just make it clear. I don't want to be making mistakes. So that sorry guys, I didn't really want to do this chat thing again, like to draw this clear, but I have to do it sharp. So it to be more clear for you guys, you understand? Come on now, what's wrong with this shit? What is wrong with this thing now? What is going on? I will kick you. Yes, you will. Sorry guys. I can see it drawn perfectly. If you want to know how to draw, you just get the mastery course from that This and they teach you everything. I'm not here to teach people how to draw a resistance. So I might do a video on that, but if you guys can give me enough like, I will do a video about that. But normally just get the mastery course and you're good to go. So on a lighter on this market is bullish. Where is the trend line? Oh god, what is wrong with this thing? Trend line. This is sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me today. See, this market is uptrend, right? Still going up. So uptrend, go to the weekly time frame. This one time frame is mostly for chart, for candlestick patterns. I don't really see a candlestick pattern here. So I'll go to the weekly time frame to see if I'll see a chart pattern. As you can see on the weekly time, as you can see on the weekly time frame, this market was forming something like right about here, so like a double top, or is it even triple top self? Might be triple. Let's see. It's almost triple top. Let's just say double top. And if you go here, this is a major area. You just drag it back. You can see that the market has respected that area a lot. You can see it has given you a double bottom. Is it double bottom or triple bottom? Anyhow, this is the neckline break. You can see. So you go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is exactly giving the same thing, bullish. But now you're seeing it's like it's an engulfing candlestick on this daily time frame red candle. But I'm not going to take that to heart. It's still bullish for me. So now guys, listen very carefully. This is our first level target. If you want to enter this market, I saw this thing. I told myself that I'm going to wait for it to push back to this my level. Apart from that, I'm sitting on my hands, as you can see. So now this market has gone and now you are seeing it's retracing back. Everything is retracing back now. So just stick with your stuff, bro. It will make you a lot of money in this market. If I enter this market right about here, now I would have been in profit. Now I would have been in loss again. That would be messing with my head. I don't like that. I want to be in profit, or I start with loss, then I'm in profit, not earning profit, then I come back to loss. It doesn't make sense. So that is that. I want to check. Wait, let me check something. This is a fib level. Let's see. Wow, it might be a fib level. This market might come back to the 50 or 60 this thing. I doubt it. Not sure. Maybe it might, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to wait for it. I'm waiting. As you can see, this 61.8 Fibonacci level is close to that my red bar. Are you seeing? So technically, I'll stick with my stuff. So that is that for this thing. Reach this part, bullish engulfing, I enter the trade. First level target here. I want to calculate the pips. There are multiple ways to calculate pips. You can use this ruler. Oh my god, this. can use. That's the disadvantage about the roller stuff. It is always, if you just raise another space outside this, it will just sorry. When you calculate the pips from here to, let's just say from here to this, and now you just put it here, just 600. No, let's see this 600 pips. Seeing this 600 pips. Let's check this stuff first. I can use price range. Price range is easier and doesn't listen, still 600 pips. Well, it doesn't disappear if you press the run, but this thing disappears, but they are still almost the same thing, you understand? Let me check this stuff. Let me check my long prediction and see what it's telling me. Yeah, if my stop loss is below here and I see an engulfing candle around here, let me just do this. We are calculating the piece from here to here. Understand? Let's see. I think it's still 600 pips. Almost the same 600 pips. So that's the way to calculate your stop when you want to calculate for pips. So that's not why we are not here to calculate for pips. But if you guys want me to show you how to do all those stuff, just drop me a comment, like the video, subscribe, so that I can teach you all these things. If you do this, it will give me encouragement. So, you know, I'm a newcomer here, so I really want you guys to just like me small. So that is that. Let's go to another pair. I have checked BTC, AUD, EURJPY. Let's go to EURUSD. I think that should be our the last pair we check. What's wrong with my network now? Come on, bro. This network is just terrible. This thing seriously playing me. Guys, sorry, my network has issue. That started behaving. That started behaving now. Sorry. So as you can see, before you even do this, you have to go to the DXY and see what the DXY, that is index, dollar index, is doing. Because dollar index is just the USD is the inverse of dollar index, or dollar index is the inverse of USD. Just turn it upside down. You know what I mean? See, it's going down. Technically, maybe it might come around. It might come around this level here. I don't know. It might come around here, but I don't know. I'm not the market. Let's just see. I'm not trading the US dollar right now because it is just shade, bro. Shade. It's not really doing anything that I like, that I want to see. So you go to the 4-hour time frame, the euro dollar, and okay, sorry. That is that for euro dollar. As you can see, perfectly nicely sweet. This black line is a major area here, so I think it will come here first. If it breaks and retests level target, then there is a lot of pips to catch around here. So just be patient and do what you're doing. Don't forget, for that proper risk management, and I like emphasizing it really helps you a lot in this market. So this thing was I was saying to myself that if this market, wait, no, it's not right. Calm down. My network is having issue again. This was this was my scenario. If this market can break this area, then I'll buy. But you can see just came back to this area and came back down, came back down, came and see what it's doing. It's misbehaving here and see how I switch that way. So you know what I did? I know enter this market right about there. But I know some people did. The market showed in paper. Me, I did not enter. I like waiting for things, seriously. Because this is a huge amount of money. But you guys want more. That is a very huge, that's a good, like that amount. What would you do to get that type of amount? But you guys still want sweet money. I don't trade like that, so I wait for sweet confirmation. See, this market came in, some people entered around here, they close or this can see, took their stop loss, came back just playing with you. My own be is that you cannot break this red level here. I am sitting on my hands, I'm not doing anything. I will not do anything because this is shit now. This is impossible. So that is the but the market is going up sharp, but I just need to break this area which engulfing. Maybe I wait for a retest before I enter the trade, or not I just enter it like that. It depends. But don't worry, I'll do another video on this pair, seeing if it worked out or it didn't work out, things like that. So that is all for today. Let me check if I can do one more. Yeah, did I show you? Okay, yeah, I showed you EURJPY, right? Did I show you EURJPY? I wrote down the trades I'm going to show you today, so let me check my book. Oh wow, I didn't show you EURJPY and EURGBP. I told you I went long on this. Remember, if you go to any of my social media listing, you see it. I went long on this trade. As you can see, the market broke the trend line, which engulfing, retest, whatever, started going down. Now you look at what it's doing. I don't know if I should close this trade or I should take my stop loss to break even. I took my stop loss to break even because it hit my first level target. That is why I'm happy a little bit. I think my stop loss is around here. Let's see. I think this market, I think my stop loss, I entered this market around here, right? So I moved my stop loss to, I think my stop loss should be under here. I think it's still white, so yeah, I moved to break even. I want to make a little bit of money. Using this break even stuff. So that is that. You go to my social media, listing any of my Twitter. Okay, no, it's not on Twitter, it's on Instagram and Facebook. You just type my name, Hamir FX. You see this setup I did. I'm a newcomer here, so I'm just trying to do my best to help you guys. I just need you guys to just follow me, comment, like, whatever that will promote my channel, please. I will really appreciate it. I will really appreciate it. You guys are the best. Without you guys, I'm nothing. To be sincere, without you guys, I'm nothing. You saw, yeah, I remember you saw. I traded this pair. Yeah, I traded you saw, made me money. He broke this stuff, came back for a test, I entered it. First, this was my first level. No, I think this was my first level target, second level target. This was an area that was respected. This was my second level target. This was my second level target, third level target. This black line is the area that was respected. I can see respected that area several times. Market came back down. I moved my stop loss to break even, and this huge massive move took me out for break even, not loss, break even. But even when the market came back down here, some people would have entered to just get this peak 100% retracement. But I don't know. Let's check something. Let's check our Fibonacci levels. Are you seeing when the Fibonacci is corresponding? Even the Fibonacci is corresponding. See, the market came to the 61.8 Fibonacci and just shoot back up. Shoot. Sorry. Okay, just shoot back up. I see. So you just subscribe to my channel. You really enjoy me. My biggest dream in life is to meet Apple with this face to face. That's why I'm doing all these things, and to help you guys as well. I really want to meet him because he's my mentor. I love him, and I want you guys to love him too. He's the best mentor out there. I really want to meet him because we just like chat on emails, Telegram group, whatever. We don't really talk much. We don't really talk. So I really need him to just see all these things and just say, hi, Harry, Hamir, what's up, bro? What is going on? What's popping? And that kind of stuff now. Just like a gym, meeting your mentor, stuff like that. So on the closing notes, you can see all the pairs are working up nicely. See, this one is working up nicely. See this one, bullish engulfing. We test this area, bullish engulfing. That is it. So, guys, like I was saying, trading is a very interesting thing. It is a profession. I cannot call it a profession. For me, it's a profession because trading is the best thing. I'm not saying you should not go to school. You can go to school, but trading is something that can change your life forever. Get the money from trading and invest it just for you to be smart and patient. So that is all. So okay, guys. So this is the end of this YouTube video, and I don't. Yeah, this is the end of this YouTube video, and don't. Sorry, I was distracted there. This is the end of this YouTube video. And don't forget, don't take any of this trade without proper confirmation as highlighted in the video, and ensure proper risk management and be patient, bro. Let the market do its thing and it will all play out perfectly. And please don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe it will give me motivation to do another video. You guys, you know that, right? So just smash the subscription button and like the video, and also leave a comment. Please leave a sweet comment. Tell me what you want me to do, I'll do it for you. And please, if you found this video helpful, just comment, smash the subscribe button, and please also smash that notification bar. Please, the bell on YouTube now, you guys know it. Please also smash that, and always remember that if you guys are profitable, remember, mark this, if you guys are profitable, Hamir is happy. I am very, very happy. So goodbye, guys, and stay profitable with Hamir. Later, guys. Peace out, bros.